Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore how plants need light and the right conditions to grow healthy and strong. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about plants today.
Great, let's start by thinking about what plants need to grow. Can you guess what those might be?
Maybe water and sunlight.
Exactly. Plants need water, sunlight, warmth, and air to grow well. Just like how Peppa Pig needs her wellies to jump in muddy puddles, plants need these things to thrive.
Oh, I see. So, what happens if a plant doesn't get enough sunlight?
That's a great question. Without enough sunlight, plants can't make their food, and they might start to look a bit sad with yellow leaves or wilting stems. Just like how Masha might feel if she doesn't get her favorite porridge.
Oh no, so sunlight is like food for plants.
Exactly. Now let's think like scientists. If we put some plants in the dark and some in the light, what do you think will happen?
I think the ones in the light will grow better.
That's a good prediction. Scientists call this a fair test because we're only changing one thing: the amount of light. Why do you think it's important to keep everything else the same, like the soil and water?
Maybe so we can see if the light is really the reason the plants grow differently.
Spot on. By keeping everything else the same, we can be sure that any differences we see are because of the light. It's like making sure all the Paw Patrol pups have the same mission gear before they go on an adventure.
That makes sense. So, what happens next?
We'll observe the plants every day for a few days. It's like watching a mystery unfold, just like in Dora the Explorer, when she finds clues.
I love mysteries. What do we do after observing?
We look for patterns in our observations. Do the plants in the light grow taller or have greener leaves? Then we make a conclusion based on what we see.
And if our prediction was right, does that mean we did science?
Absolutely. You've been doing science by asking questions, making predictions, and observing results. It's like being a real scientist.
Wow, that's so cool. I can't wait to try this at home.
Before we wrap up, can you summarize what we've learned today?
Sure. We learned that plants need sunlight, water, warmth, and air to grow. We also talked about making fair tests and observing plants to see how they grow.
Fantastic summary. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.